Hi, I'm Leticia Terrones, a librarian at Cal State L.A. University Library, and in today's 2-minute tutorial, I will show you how to sign in to OneSearch, the library's online database, and how to use the Favorites tool. Most of the resources we have or subscribe to at the University Library are available only to our campus community, our students, faculty, and staff for academic studies. Signing into OneSearch with your Cal State L.A. username and password verifies your status as part of the campus community and gives you access to those materials. Additionally, signing in means you can pin or save items so you can easily find them again. You can also request books from us or other CSU libraries. You can check out how many books you have on loan or see if you owe any fees. So let's go ahead and get started. The easiest way to sign in is by starting a search. I'm going to type in climate change in the OneSearch box and click on the search icon to the right. This will take us to the search results page where at the top you'll see a yellow bar that reads please sign in to view or request. Click on the sign in tab and enter in your Cal State LA username and password. You'll know you're done signing in when you see your name at the top right hand corner of the page. Click on the triangle next to your name to view your Cal State LA library account. From here, you can review your loaned items, requests for books and materials, and your pinned or saved items. Now let's try pinning an item to your favorites. Let's go back to your search results. Notice all the pins to the right of each of the results. If you click on a pin, OneSearch will save it to your favorites page on your account. To access all of your favorites, click on the pin icon at the top of the page next to your name. If you want to organize your pins, you can add labels to them so you can access them faster. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series on our social media and on our website, calstatela.edu/library.